Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Indeed job search and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Indeed job search. And here you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.